Hi there, my name is Peter Vox and I am the Director and Principal Teacher at Vox Singing Academy, which was established in 1993 here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all the cool videos. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments the section below and I'll get back to as many requests, comments and questions as I possibly can. Most importantly, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, please check out the links below for more info. We run the Ultimate Online Singing Course. We can stream anywhere, anytime. Online singing lessons, private online singing lessons anywhere around the world. Also, private in-studio singing lessons at our 6 Melbourne studios. Let's get stuck into the next question. Is the Ultimate Online Singing Course suitable for children? Yes! The Ultimate Online Singing Course is very easy to follow, understand and navigate. The course is a step-by-step guide. Though if the child is very young, say for instance under 4 or 5, they may need a parent or a guardian to help and navigate them through the course's instructions correctly. But though, really, if a child is going to junior school or primary school and they can understand English quite well, there will be absolutely no problems with a child as young as 5 or 6 just following the course's instructions all the way through. They are designed for adults and children, beginners to absolute professionals. We have 4 full courses, 17 short custom courses starting at $14.95 US. Great value. My lessons are $120 a class and I'll be on all of the Ultimate Online Singing Course videos giving you instruction. Also another female teacher for the female examples as well too. That pretty much answers the question. Yes, they are designed and suitable for children of all ages from really above 4 years old. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if we could be of any assistance helping you, your child or someone that you know with their singing, please check out the links below for more info. But most importantly, be good to each other, enjoy your singing, live with passion, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Peace and out.